course because this 3D printer is very interesting, and I found that the course that I can train out something that I want like this for my water system, watering my plant, and this one can plant my orchid as well. This course is a very interesting course and will likely to recommend to my friend, and hope many people will come to attend this course.
Hi, my name is Dina. Why I signed up for this course is because I want to learn to make things like this airplane. So I would recommend this course to my friends because I think in 2 days you can actually learn a lot of things, and the lecturers are very friendly. Thank you.